Hello and welcome to this session where I'm doing an update of the Journal Lukomona scholarship scheme that covers the entrepreneurship course. Those people who are on the entrepreneurship course and being supported under the scholarship scheme. I just want to make a few points of clarification, and this is an update of the original video that was made, I think, 12 months ago or thereabout, but this is an update. The reasons for establishing the scholarship scheme. We did do a survey a few years ago amongst the target group, which was mainly the Africans, and we found that 80% of them had never received the grounding into the actual skills of entrepreneurship at any level. The closest people came to in the African circles to studying entrepreneurship was business studies or economics. And you and I know that economics is not business studies. It's not entrepreneurship. Business studies actually itself or business management is not entrepreneurship, neither is economics. Because the skills of entrepreneurship are very different from the skills of economics and skills of business management. And this come very clear for those who have joined the course itself. So on this program, what we focus on fundamentally are three main units, then extended to three other units. The three core units we focus on are the cost benefit analysis, the business planning, and what we call diaspora management. These core units constitutes the entrepreneurship under WMOC, which you may not understand because you haven't joined yet. But when you join it or look at the syllabus, you will understand why. That's important to note. And the second thing is we use your business idea as your case study. We do not accept generic studies of another business, although that information during the course of your studying or reviewing of articles, you can use it, but the final piece of work that you produce must be based on your business idea. The reason for this is because we want your idea to start running as a proper business in a certain business vehicle, whichever form that it suits it. After you go through the course itself, you must and you should be able to launch it easily. Or if you are already running a business, that is the idea we want you to bring on the table for your coursework. Why? We want to improve performance. We want productivity to be improved and profitability. Because sometimes you can be running a business and you do not know how and when these things are going to give you a profit and what to do. But when you have certain skills, you can begin to change certain things in your business so that you can start making a profit, which is why we require one of the qualifications for you to be on the scholarship scheme is that you have an original or your own business idea, or you are running a business already. This qualifies you to apply for this scholarship scheme. If you've got no business idea, you're not running nothing, and you have no interest in the business setups, you are not allowed to apply because we will not accept you. This program is for the serious people, entrepreneurs who wants to make a difference in their own business and serve the people better and make their products or services such quality so that people can benefit more, and the beneficiaries also who come to buy from you can see the difference the solution you're providing is making in their own lives. This is what we teach on this, and this is a qualifying factor. You must have your own original business idea, or you must be running a business. I see some people applying and making general inquiries on can they use any case study. The answer is no. You can only be allowed to use a case study if you have got an original idea that is similar to that case study and you want to apply it afterwards. And when you receive our emails after your original application, please, we require you to read very carefully every detail. We send a zip file, and all the documents in that must be read very, very carefully, point by point. Tick them off. If you miss a point, you risk not to be accepted on the system. The actual course fee itself for the entrepreneurship, which is at certificate level, and you can upgrade to diploma level. Certificate level is intensive, 12 weeks intensive, because it's practical and applied to your business idea. You can extend to the more units, so you can do 6 units. It goes up to 6 months or a full year, depending on how fast you work. Of course, there's breaks there to allow in assessment time. So every year we change the assessment fee to fit in what the assessors' demands are. The current course fee for the whole of this program is £1,260 per person. Now, under the scholarship scheme, this money is waived for you. You will not pay this amount of money. This year, 2019-2020, you are paying only for your assessment, which is equivalent to £70. So convert this in your currency and then make this money remit to us as £70. That covers for your assessment, for coursework and enrollment. The school fees waived under the scholarship scheme if you qualify. Somebody asks, what if I do not have a business idea? Can I still apply? The answer is yes, you can apply, but you won't qualify to the scholarship scheme. You will pay the full amount which is listed over there. The reason being that you are not in the category of those people who qualify to have the scholarship scheme. We want this system to work for entrepreneurs. We can build you up, and thank God if you make it, that'll be fantastic. We still support you. But maybe in the next round for other programs, you can be eligible. But for this one, we want people who've got business ideas. Now, the duration, which I've mentioned already for this certificate, is professional, not academic. It is highly professional, applied to your discipline, which is business, entrepreneurship. 3 months online learning, that's the mode of study, and live seminars, which we always put dates across. You sign up on those dates and you attend. What if you fail to attend the seminar? In the contract for entrepreneurship scholarship scheme, there you promised us you attend 90% of all scheduled sessions. They're not too many, but you've got to attend 90% of them. If you miss one of them, fair enough. But if you miss more, then you risk you paying the full fee. We want people who are serious. We want to develop people who can work one with another, bring products and services on the table and serve the community better. So I repeat on this one, the scholarship is for those with a business idea or have a business running. And why do we do this? The reason is that we want to enrich every applicant who falls in this category, entrepreneurial skills, to enrich entrepreneurial skills in you so that you can run your business skillfully and grow it. The second reason is to increase business productivity. With knowledge, there is potential for you to grow. The third reason is we want to develop diaspora international trade and bilateral links and more. These three key areas, or the reasons, are the driving factors, reasons why we want to continue doing this program. Many other things are born out of this. If a person, I emphasize, does not fall in the above business category, they do not qualify to apply. However, you can recommend other people whom you know have a business or they have a business idea and they want to upskill themselves and get their business going to the next level or get their business idea off the ground and fire, let it run. This is Dr. John Lukomona explaining to you the actual qualifying points for you to be on the program. It is a powerful program. If you think you just want to come and mix with people, travel and meet other people for the sake of it, this is not your program. We want people who can bring business ideas to the table. We grow those ideas together. Businesses which are running on the table, we grow those businesses together and deal with one another. And let's make our community viable. This is not limited to the African community, it is across the board. If you have a business idea, bring it to the table. You may apply for the scholarship. Thank you very much.